One of BBY's main services is the regular research on companies and industries published each week by our analysts. A concise summary of each of these research notes is found in the Research Snapshots, located here in the Research tab. Below, you will find a chronological list of all research snapshots, the most recent being at the top. Clicking on any of them will bring you a one-page summary of the note. For company notes, this includes the share price at the time the note was published, the target price, which is the analyst's predicted target price within the next 12 months, and their recommendation. An up or down arrow next to the target price or recommendation indicates whether the analyst's assessment has changed since their last publication. Also provided is the author's name and a description of the company at hand. The bulk of the snapshot is made up of a short summary of the note. Among other things, this may include an overview of a recent public announcement by the company or of any earnings results. At the bottom of the snapshot is BBY's most recent outlook of the company, including its long-term and short-term trends. Any questions regarding a note can be forwarded to our Client Sales and Solutions team, whose details are included at the top of the snapshot. As well as specific companies, BBY analysts also publish reviews of particular sectors. Snapshots of these sector overviews include a one-page summary of the author's analysis. The full research notes are available to eligible clients. As well as a more detailed analysis of the company, these full research notes may also provide a table of the company's financial data, a table of its current and projected earnings, and a chart showing its share price performance over the previous 12 months. At times, analysts may publish email updates in response to market movements that are not material and have not impacted their valuation on a company. These will include a summary of the market movements and the analyst's comments on it. You can search for specific research publications in a number of ways. You can search for specific company research by typing the company's name or stock code into the search function. To find reports by a particular analyst, just type the name next to author. You can also narrow your search to particular sectors by choosing an industry from this list. Alternatively, you can specify your search by the type of report you're looking for. Selecting Research Note will bring you publications on particular companies, Email Report will bring you only email updates, and Research Report will bring you only industry reports. Using the date range function will further narrow your search. When you're done with your search, or if you want to begin afresh, just click Clear Search and you will be taken back to the original page. The Advantage Receiver provides a compact summary of BBY's research published each day. To access it, go to the Research tab and click Advantage Receiver, and you will find a list of the latest updates. Each Advantage Receiver contains a summary of the latest research published during the week. Each research snippet in the Advantage Receiver includes the recommendation and a 12-month target price, the note's author, and the date that it was published. You can search for Advantage Receivers by selecting the stock code or company name, the author, or by choosing a date range. You can also narrow your search by sector. For example, choosing Consumer Discretionary will bring you all Advantage Receivers within the specified date range that contain consumer discretionary stocks. The stock codes in the title are listed in chronological order, the most recent being first, and this list is started over at the beginning of each week. For example, on Monday the 20th of April, a note on ANZ was published. The following day, notes on these three stocks were published and so are added to the Advantage Receiver. As the week goes on and more research notes are published, the Advantage Receivers are progressively expanded until by Friday it lists all research published in the week. At the beginning of each week, the list restarts.